What do you have to say about yourself? Bring your banana on a fishing trip. Hi guys, today's video, coming back off to the rocks. It's a bit of wind, but apart from that, it's actually quite nice around here. It's daylight savings now, so yeah, we'll be fishing until it gets dark. We've got a burley bomb, so hopefully that can attract some fish around. And yeah, let's get the burley in the water now and try and get some fish. Okay, so Thomas and Nathaniel just casting some small lures. Nathaniel's just had a couple hits. I think Thomas had a hit, so hopefully we can get a little livey. I think they're just small kahawai. Get that burley in the water. Okay, we just got the burley in. So we're starting to pump out some nice juices. That's going to attract some fish. Just spotted a stingray down there. Quite murky. Yeah, I think they'll come to get the burley. But yeah, that means the burley's working, so hopefully we get some other fish that turn up. Came off. Yeah, I think we came off, yeah. But let's head out actually alright size right just then. He hasn't done much to the bait, took me in the weed and came off. Okay. There's just in the middle of the burley, lots of bait fish and kahawai, some rat kingies down there. I think I'm just going to stick this on as a livey, see if it can get a kingy. Got another real big sprat, well, yellow-eyed mullet, and these are perfect liveys.
Okay, just got another one, just got another little yellow-eyed mullet, yeah, so just got a speaky wig on, so yeah, they're going crazy over it. There's just so many. See if you can see them. There's just heaps down there. Yeah, so hopefully we can get some more. Let's take them off. Woo.
Thomas just hooked up to a nice something. Could be a stingray.
Stingray.
That's a stingray, yeah. Yeah, try and stick over there.
A lot more quickly. Oh, your line's gonna get tangled.
Daniel, can you wind up my line? Oh, he's going over it looks like. Welcome to the beach.
Whatever it is, you can give it to.
No, just leave it. Welcome to the beach. Oh, come on, we're on the beach.
Hey, what do you reckon he is still? Still looking this thing right here.
That's not good. What? Down there, I might just bring one this way. Oh!
He came off.
Busted me off. I have a very good feeling that was a stingray. Okay, we just got one of those sprats, killed it. Now we're going to see if one of the stingrays wants to eat it. So we'll find one first. Oh no! Yeah. Thomas just took accidentally a big stingray when he was winding in his line. Yeah, now he's going to see if he can get the hook out. It's just on the side of its wing, so it's just down there somewhere. Just there. Keep going.
Keep going.
Yeah, keep going.
Okay. Yeah.
There he goes. Thomas got his rig back. Yeah, the hook just popped out perfect. Oh, accidentally I was winding it, I was like, oh look, big stingray. Accidentally the hook got on the side of his wing. Actually it wasn't hooked too deep, but bites, oh they're picking up like crazy now. I think that's what I hooked before, big stingray, but it might have been like a kingfish or a shark, just don't know. But yeah, let's hope we can get some fish. I think Storm wants to eat a sprat. Okay, hooked up to the first fish. Feels pretty small, but still a fish.
Yeah, first fish. Yeah, it's probably just a small snap. Woo! Just as that sun is going down. Okay, onto a fish. Just a snapper. Oh yeah, there he is. Yeah, it's quite small. You got it?
What do you have to say about yourself? Bring your banana on a fishing trip. That's why we haven't caught anything.
How dare you?
Hiding it from us all this time. You traitor. How do you feel about the situation?
Terrible, terrible. It should have never brought that banana. That is just...
Oi, don't run. Stop trying to get rid of the evidence. That made it even worse. Now it's in the water.
Okay, I just got another small snapper. I didn't even know I had it on. That's how small it is. But yeah, they're still here, so hopefully we can just get some more big ones. Let's go. Woo. Okay, there's heaps of those bait fish down here. Heaps of them type of bait fish. Woo! There's heaps of them. So I can get some more.
Hi guys, you can't really see. Oh, actually, yeah, light behind me. But it's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Nathaniel just got these collies, nice big ones, just with a small lure. But that light's gone down, and we're gonna head back. The bites are, I think, stopped. While Nathaniel's going for those collies and that, me and Elijah were targeting kingfish because that's, I think, was chasing them, but no luck. Yeah, hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.
Come on guys,
Get off the couch, come outside and have fun.